This is a 59-inch tall, gorgeous artificial flower decorated cross I was sent a review from Novabright. So let me show you a closer look, including how to assemble it and how to use it inside or outside. Here is everything out of the box. I'm really excited that you don't have to put on each individual flower. These things are already made. Oh my gosh, really, really nice. So you've got 3 of these, 2 little bits down here. You got your metal ground stakes, some tools, including the little hex wrench thingy, so you don't need any of your own tools. You've even got a set of gloves to help protect your hands, and the installation instructions. First, you take this bit, put it on this bit. They just lock in like Lincoln Logs. Just gotta shove it a little, but there we go. We got A is going to go in here. So part A had a bare bottom, and then these 3 bits at the top. And then part B has a bare middle with holes and a bare top. So we're gonna connect them at the middle with these 6. These holes are gonna connect here. And then this last one is going to attach right here with 3 more of the longer screws. This is it fully assembled. It is a little tricky to get the screws in down here and up here. I did it by myself. It wasn't super easy. I do recommend a friend to help keep it balanced and stuff, but not too hard. And it is self-standing with this block, so you can have it inside like this. It's absolutely gorgeous all the way around. Just absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then you do have the metal stakes that you can insert around the 4 feet if you're going to have it outside and you don't want it to blow over. I'm 5'8", so standing next to it, you can see how tall this thing is. It's a great size. It is gorgeous for a baptism, a christening, a wedding, anything where you need beautiful pink spring-like flowers. They look real, honestly. It's easy to assemble and disassemble and store it for the next time you're going to use it. I really love this for Christian Easter decor or celebrations, and I know you're going to love it too.